Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today I've got a little tip for you on how to cut into an avocado. Now, last week I was talking with a friend of mine, Kayla, and she and I were talking about avocados, and she told me how much she loved them, but she wasn't too sure how to get into one. So Kayla, this is for you. Cut around the avocado long ways just until you feel the pit. Give it a gentle squeeze and loosen it up. Then twist it apart. If the pit doesn't come out easily, carefully thunk a knife into the pit and twist it out. Next, using a dull bread knife, cut it into strips or diagonals, then spoon it out or invert the peel to cut it out. Okay, so there you have it. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next week, go have fun in your kitchen. Bye guys.